Hi, this is Christine Visconti with the Oldendorp Group. Welcome to 11 Rolling Hill Court in Madison. This 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo is located in a highly desirable condo complex at the top of a quiet cul-de-sac, close to shopping, restaurants, and trains to New York City. You are sure to love this spacious home with a wonderfully open floor plan and large windows that ushers in sunlight to every corner. Step inside where a large foyer welcomes you and warm hardwood floors flow underfoot. The living room has a stunning floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. The kitchen features granite counters and opens to the breakfast room in the family room, tucked away with floor-to-ceiling windows. A wonderful deck is perfect for relaxing, dining, and grilling. Also overlooks a private yard. The second floor boasts a large landing and 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and the master suite has a full bath and walk-in closet. The lower level has an office and plenty of storage. If you are looking for a home in Madison that is move-in ready and close to New York City trains, the town, and top-rated schools, then welcome home. For more information on this home, please reach out to the Oldendorp Group.